Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you the process for resetting the oil life on your van. So essentially the topic of this video will be me showing you and telling you how to reset the oil life on a Honda Odyssey van. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this. Once again, I'll be showing you and telling you specifically the process for resetting the oil life. So I will be going over the topic of this video, and the topic, just to reiterate it one last time, the topic is showing you and telling you specifically. I'm gonna promise this will be all good. This will be all good. I'm stumbling over my words, so I'm gonna try that again. The process for resetting the oil life on a Honda Odyssey van. That's what this video is about. And specifically, I will be showing you and telling you how to reset the oil life on a Honda Odyssey van. And this will be an easy tutorial with step-by-step instructions. Let's get into this. So sorry about that long intro, but it's actually, the rest of the video will be short and sweet and straight to the point. So essentially, and you like that, short, sweet, straight to the point. Let's get into this. I promise it'll be really quick. So you're gonna go from your main sort of home screen over here. You might have additional apps to choose from. I've kept mine very, very simple, but you're gonna go to your settings app. Okay. Once you're in the settings app, you're going to go to the vehicle, because the oil life has to do with the vehicle settings. Okay. Once you've gone into the vehicle settings, you're going to go down and you're going to go to maintenance information, because your oil life is part of your maintenance information. Okay. Now you can see right here, it shows your engine oil. Okay, so it shows maintenance items that are due are going to be your engine oil, and you might have other things as well. I only need engine oil right now, so that's why, not now, but soon, but that's why I only have engine oil, but you might have additional things. Now you can reset all of them, so you can reset all of your maintenance items, or if you want to just reset your oil life, you can tap engine oil. Okay, oops, sorry about that. I'm looking through the camera. I'm going to cancel that. I think I just froze my screen maybe. Anyways, you're going to tap engine oil and then you're going to tap the reset. If I go back, what will happen? There we go. So once again, you're going to tap engine oil. There we go. And you're going to tap reset. So then that will reset your engine oil life. Now, I'm not going to tap reset. I'm going to cancel out of this because I don't need to reset my engine oil yet. But yeah, that is how to reset the oil life indicator on your Honda Odyssey van. Just for references, this is a 2022 Honda Odyssey Touring Edition van. But it's going to be very, very similar for all of the Odysseys that are within sort of the same range of years. That said, hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. I told you, the beginning was a little bit rough, but I promise you it'd be short and sweet for the rest of it. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.